say to me, yes, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga. I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all the mother hoes wasn't about you. And now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please. Ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Joy Presley, and welcome back to another video. I'm your host, Joy Presley, and welcome back, guys. For all the new people, welcome back. For all the old people coming back, you guys know you guys are OGs. Y'all are my family. And yeah, y'all, I look really different, and I know I've been gone for so long, guys. Like, I have not been consistent on YouTube, and I'm so sorry. Life has just been getting really busy, and of course the army is very stressful, but don't worry, guys, there's no excuses anymore. We need to just go. This is gonna be my year. 2023 is gonna be amazing, and I really want to start getting more consistent. But without all that chatter, make sure you guys like, thumbs up, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, because we have so much planned in today's vlog. First things first, I have my hair in this little curly style. I have on this off the shoulder white top, and I got on these cute little white pants, and I have on these little cute glasses, guys. I want to try something different. My eyes have been getting strained from the computer at work, so I want to start wearing these cute little glasses. But we have so much planned in today's video, guys. We're going to be going to Starbucks, Target, and I also want to do some painting as well. I've been trying to brush up on my art skills because I have not done any art in over, I don't know, like 4 years. So we're gonna be a lot more consistent with that. We also have a lot to do when it comes to my merch line because I am a small business owner, and I really want to start getting these hoodies out, these t-shirts out, especially for the end of winter, because up here it's still kind of cold. So I kind of want to ship off all the hoodies and start coming up with new ideas for summer merch. And let me know down below what you guys want to see next, and let's get back to the video. What's up, guys? So we just left Starbucks. Of course, your girl got the croissant. I got on my foam runners, and I got my cute little keychain. I think it looks so nice, guys. So I'm about to eat my croissant and just do some journaling. It is so beautiful. It is a little bit too crowded in the store, and I feel like I have social anxiety bad. So I'm gonna sit in my car, listen to some music, and eat my croissant, and we'll be back. Can y'all believe this croissant was $4? I don't know what's going on, but a croissant should not be $4. It should be $1. But your girl got some ice cold water because it is so hot out here, y'all. It's 71, but it feels like it's 85 because we're not used to the heat. But yeah, y'all, just gonna drink my water, eat my $4 croissant, and do some journaling. Hey guys, so in this half of the video, we need to clean my car. As you can see, there are so many crumbs in here. I literally have food bags in here with like wrappers. I have cups. My car just looks really ugly right now, and we need to clean it out. I'm about to go grab my handheld vacuum and get rid of these crumbs. I'm also going to be taking some car wipes, wiping down the dashboard. This car looks so dirty compared to when I first got it. We're also going to be taking off this raggedy steering wheel cover, and we're going to get a new one to go on here. And we're pretty much just gonna clean everything so it can feel nice and fresh and new. It's spring cleaning mode, and let's go. So we're gonna be using this to wipe down my dusty dashboard. You guys know I'm trying to get better at cleaning my car because it's really just me. Like, I really don't have a lot of people that come in my car. Only if I'm doing like carpool or if I'm going to like a party, then people get in my car. But typically it's just me, and I need to get better at cleaning. But let's do that right now.
We got the full body do-rag out.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing. I'm spending this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song. Give me that tempo. Ooh. Told cool, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Fettuccine or Vincenzo's. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxing. PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the video, it's packing. I'm digging her accent. I got a beauty Simon belt on me, and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction. perfection. That's my type, she Latin. Got my flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they set. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. I swag they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that like Stockton. Just joshing, I'ma spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins.
So we just got back from Burlington. Your girl only got like 3 things, literally. They were slacking today, I swear. So I got a black sweater. Also got some peppermint oil. You guys know I love this stuff. And I also got lip gloss. And it just was not giving today. Like Charlotte Russe barely had anything. But we're on our way to Olive Garden because we're doing a solo date. So I will see you guys in a bit.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was last. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Dumb and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat, when who's winning. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on. Because I realize I got myself and I is all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and I is all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling and you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong.
Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen her hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, yeah. Excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, yeah. I know you're trying to leave, miss. I said I dance with you. How I loved you 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, yeah. Excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, yeah. I know you're trying to.
So right now, guys, we're back home and I need to do some laundry right now because I have too many clothes piling up. And right now I'm just going to be cleaning up my room and just doing kind of like a reset, just trying to get everything nice and ready for the week. So we're going to be doing laundry and also packaging up some orders later on. So stay tuned.
Ooh, bet today, then catch today.